Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial of how to log into Clever as a student. First, in your internet search browser, you're going to type in clever.com. That will take you to the page that you're looking at right now. Students will click log in as a student. When they log in as a student, many times it's going to ask them to search for your school. The best way to do that right now is to type Pinewood space Jenison, and it should bring it up right away. So then click on Pinewood and Jenison, and then students should always click Login with Clever. When they click Login with Clever, it's going to ask them a username and password. Their username is the year of their graduation with their first letter of their first name, and then typically their entire last name. Unless you have a long last name, then sometimes some of the last letters get cut off. That is all they need as a username. You do not have to do at jpsstudents.org like you might have to for Google. For the password information, that's going to be JPS, and then the 3 numbers that student has as a login. And then click Login, and it brings them right to the main district page. So it will have their teachers' pages. So this right here, Madeline is in 5th grade, so it has both 5th grade teachers listed. And then it will have a lot of other student resources listed, and then some other resources that are available. Many teachers have taken time to create their own page. So if you click on Mrs. Uren's page, that will take Madeline right to her own teacher's page where that teacher has added apps or links to certain sites that will be used most often in that classroom. You can see when we click on one of the apps, if we click on Writing City, it's going to automatically log Madeline in. So Madeline is logged in right here, and you can see she's in Michelle Uren's class. So everything is already automatically linked together for the student. The same will be true when it becomes time to do Blackboard. Blackboard is right here. Clicking this will automatically log that student into Blackboard.